Hello everyone. So how to get Biden or Trump or Kamala Harris or Andrew Yang stickers. So you can search some for free, but seems there is a good pack, which is just you can search for this. And it's included in bundles like 2020 election stickers. So you will see this, like Andrew Yang, and yeah, I think the quality is like pretty good here. So then you can get these stickers and include them in your iMessages. It's like $8.99 for 40 plus stickers, and you can use them in iMessage. So that's that. Try it out, leave your reviews if it's worth it or not.